Hello everyone. Today's video is going to be very special, and today I'm going to share with you some of my macerations or blends I'm trying to make. I'm not very good at attar making or blending, and some of the other oils I have from this brand Mosafir, which I really enjoy and love. So I'm going to share with you my collection. So let's start from here. Some of the samples I have, actually different materials, like you can see over here. This is actually Taif rose. I ended this one I have mixed. If you order Taif rose, don't order more than 1 gram or 1 ml. It is more than enough for years, and it is very light, very lovely, a little bit of very sweet, very powerful rose oil. It is not like dense rose oil, it is very light and airy. Then I have this one, fragrant flame 2. So it was very dark, a bit dense, a bit very good for winters, and from Mosafir fragrant flame. I used it almost, I think I filled it up with some oud oil I had, just to revive it. Then I have this one. This one is divine lotus. So it had blue lotus and musk grains from Himalayan musk, and it was so good. Okay, so it was very lovely profile. I think I got compliments. People asked me, what are you wearing? So I was wearing this one on my beard, and it has very polarizing, very lovely kind of scent that really emits. This is musk tabak. It has musk, fresh green tobacco leaves. It is one of the best. Okay, so it is for, mostly I use it in summers. So sometimes you can use it in winters. It is like kind of more into like autumn kind of scent. This one is again from Mosafir, blend from Mosafir. Then this one is Mystique. It has blend of like musk, castorum, and I'm not sure different things. I didn't enjoy this one much, but I normally, when I don't enjoy something, I mostly put oud oil into it. Okay, so let's see this one. So this one is actually, you can say, one of my most favorite blends. And what it has Cambodi wort from Imperial Oud. Then it has Himalayan, Siberian musk grains, and the Damascus rose damascena. So it is kind of very how I would say, it is so lovely that I mostly open this bottle like this, and I just sniff the top of it and take it back. So I rarely apply it, maybe on special occasions like Eid or something like that. It has very dense. You can see these are the musk grains sitting at the bottom, and this is very dense, and this is, I could say, that scent of heavens. If I would describe it, it would be something like that. Then I have another blend, you can see over here. It also has musk oils, Cambodi wort, and then I had added some of the grains of saffron into it. It is now it is, this blend is kind of like very light oriental sweet, like a supari, although it doesn't has anything like a supari or syrupy thing, but it is very lovely, one of my favorites and also my wife's favorite. Okay, so these are just Himalayan musk grains, and let's find out some more which I really love. This one is my favorite, Lee S. Cuisivo. It has very dense, kind of earthy, musky, light woody, very wet profile. I really enjoy attar and oud oils that has wet, damp, profile. I don't like dryness in oud oils or other oils. This is one of my favorite. I mostly apply it in winters, and this is one of the best. Saraban, it has vetiver note in it, very prominent. It is great for summers, so I apply it in summers. Again, it has, let me sniff it again and tell you something about it. Yes, it has mellow sweetness, vetiver, musk, and all different other ingredients I'm not sure of, but this is one of the best. Vetiver mix. So it was a vetiver based oil. Fairy Meadows. It is very floral, one of the best florals, kind of gourmandish floral category, and I really enjoy it. I am saving it for my wife because she really loves it. Okay, so this one is Nishane. This is Nishapur. So Nishapur from Mosafir, and again it has musk and all that different things. Let me try to sniff it because this Mosafir brand they uses. Yes, it is kind of light. I think it has lavender in it, maybe musk, lavender, and few other things. But it is a very lovely profile. Let's see if I have missed something. Yes, musk chypre. So this one was one of my favorites, and I actually mixed, I think, Zazazen oud oil into this one, or I think it was Aroha the Yusuf. So this one is one of the best now. It has chocolatey, musky, light floral touch to it. It is one of the best. My wife asked me, what are you wearing? So this is musk chypre from Mosafir. It has many other notes, but so far my favorite is this one, Cambodi Vert, Siberian musk, and Rose de Messina. It's so addictive that you can smell it all day long. Okay, then I have few of the mixes or blends I am trying to make, macerations or macerations, I'm not sure what you call it. This one is 9 gram Mesur Sandal into 1 gram Grey Ambergris or Ambergris. Okay, so this is the real one. So you can see if I move it, like you can see here at the bottom, I actually use a matchstick to heat it up at the bottom. I'm not sure I'm doing it right or not, but you have to move it or mix it like this every day for and wait it like 6 months or 1 year. This one is another blend I actually made called Mukhallat. There are coffee grains in it. Then I have rose taif into it, Cambodi Vert, and a lot of different attars which were ending, or maybe some oud oils. This is a blend of many things I don't remember, but this is a nice, very sweet kind of blend. So this is the one I'm waiting for. It has 2 oud oils, castoreum and musk and sandal. Sandal is very low, so it has a lot of oud oil in it. It has a lot of, you can see sandal is just 0.5 or maybe 1 gram. This is going to be like 12 grams. So I'm waiting for it to get matured, and I'm going to use it. I'm not sure. It has Siberian musk, it has Himalayan musk grains, a lot of things. Okay, then this one is almost ready, and if I say that this is also so addictive, you are going to get addicted to this one. This is actually I mixed these at 20th April 2022. This is musk maceration with sandal oud, which is sandal oil. So it is just sandal, and you can see I have written over here sandal, and I'm written over here musk Kashmiri. Kashmiri means Himalayan. Okay, so musk maceration I have. So this is one of the best. If you want to smell something really great, try to sniff this one. This is the one of the best scents I have ever sniffed in my life. So these are the 2 which I would say that are very very additive. One is Cambodian Siberian musk, the Damascus rose, and this one musk maceration with sandal, Mysore sandal, and Kashmiri or Himalayan musk grains. So at least sniff something that is 1 year old, and you are going to be blown away by its scent and quality and everything it has. It has very dense, mysterious kind of wet note to this one. I really regret that I have given I think 1 and 1.5 grams and gifted it to some of my friends. I really regret that. So it is like 6 ml right now. You can see it has musk grains sitting at the bottom. Okay, so this is all. This is a video for all of you to. I wanted to share my Attar collection and all that stuff with you. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. We'll meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. And Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.